Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is the hardware configuration that we have in the software. So let's go to the software. So as soon as you open the Vijeo Designer project, I'm going to carry one that we have done for the workshop for the Vijeo Designer. Okay, so just need to go to the HMI target. Okay, here on the hardware, we have this configuration. So here is something very important, very important. So this one that says to configuration, I'm not sure why it's in none, but usually it's in top left corner or two corners, or top left two corners. So basically what you need to do is with access to the HMI system configuration. Okay, that's why it's important to have this. If you don't, what you can always do is to go to one of your, let's go back here, master, one of your buttons, add operation system and configuration. Okay, that is one way to do it. And it's important, if you do this, always have security. Okay, one security that you have. Okay, in this case it doesn't, because it's just for testing purposes, but it's something that you need to be aware of how to do it. Okay, then you have a sleep after too many minutes. Okay, so if there is no activity at all in the touch part, okay, of the HMI, then the HMI will go to sleep, and then you just need to touch again the HMI in order to do whatever you want to, or you just delete it. Okay, if you have other HMIs probably with different things, you should be able to access these things. Then if you have one with Windows, you have this, you can select the printer. Okay, and then you have probably your own variables for that one. Then you have the possibility to use a barcode, the keyboard in case you have one. Well, the keyboard now, it's not the keyboard, the keyboard, it's just the keyboard you have on the HMI. So here you should be able to see this, which one is the one you want for the language, and then here auto hard timeout. Okay, so it's not that complex, this part. It's trying to show you where is it, the hardware configuration, this part. But yes, there is more things to it. So if you select the HMI, here you have more things to do. Okay, that can probably summarize this part, this one here. Okay, but I'm going to focus on each one of them in different videos. Okay, so the important thing here on this one is that try to enable this, at least one of these. If not, then just let's just use a button. Okay, so it's not a massive video. This one is just to trying to create different videos, explain different parts of the Vijeo Designer. Okay, and then you can go to the one you really need to. Okay, so this is for the hardware configuration part. Okay, it's not the hardware for the selection of the target, it's just some of the settings that we have in the hardware part in the Vijeo Designer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.